What's up, guys? What's going on? Just want to do a little video on my Matrix. I guess kind of a build. I've just been kind of fixing it up. I've owned it already since about 5 months, or give or take. Yeah, about 5 months. And it's been a pretty awesome little fun car. Actually sold my Nissan 350Z, a 2004 350Z, auto tragic. And I bought this for $2,500, I think it was. Yeah, got a good deal on it. Needed a little work. But I actually enjoyed this driving this a lot more than I did my Z. First of all, because it's a stick shift. Second of all, I got 2 kids now, so I can take the family with me if I wanted to, you know, and take a drive through the mountains or whatever. Cargo space, trunk space, whatever. You can haul like a grip of stuff in this thing. It's like crazy ridiculous. I always loved these when they first came out. I don't know why I didn't buy one earlier, to be honest. Anyways, this checks off a lot more boxes than the Nissan Z ever did. It being more practical, being more efficient, better on gas, space-wise. Stick shift, obviously it's not faster, even though it was an automatic, the Z, but it was still faster. I did have it on lower end springs, and it did handle better than this, but this just checks off a lot more boxes than that Z ever did, to be honest. So I actually enjoyed driving this. I drive this a lot more than I did my Z. So I bought this actually as like a secondary car for commuting. I was driving like 11 miles to work, like 22 miles round trip. Before now I moved, I'm commuting about 85 miles a day, so like 42 or something like that each way. And it is high mileage, but it's a Toyota. It currently has 184,000 and change. I bought it with 181, so I put on about like, yeah, I put a few thousand on there in like 5 months. Really in the last 2 months since I moved, because I didn't really drive it like the first 2 months I got it. So let's just go over it then, I guess. This is a 2004 Matrix XRS. A cool little sticker I got. XRS. It does have the 2ZZ, 6-speed manual. This is the one that redlines to 8200. I believe 2004s had 174, a couple horsepower less than the 2003s for some reason. I've added a K&N intake system. It's the Typhoon model. It's pretty much the only K&N one they make for the Matrix. It's carb legal. I live in California, so strict emissions. So I needed something that was going to be legal. I got the AF dynamic heat shield. Doesn't really do much. It's just more aesthetically pleasing. Looks pretty nice on there. Let's see. I just added the FRS wheels on here. Bought them off some guy for $220 with the tires. Plenty of life still on there. Oh, I need a clip. Hardly any curb rash. The guy just upgraded his tires. So I got these, and I had to replace the lug nuts because the other ones I had were kind of like the extended Acorn, but with the washers, and they didn't work with these. And so I bought the Acorn style black ones. I did have to get spacers for the front. I'm running 1-inch spacers all around. Just help with the look anyways. It's kind of halfway tucked in on the top and then halfway out on the bottom half, because it kind of flares out on top. So that's good. Maybe I'll go another half an inch after or something, I don't know. Anyways, it would not clear the calipers. I think minimum you needed was 5 millimeters, so I just ended up getting the 1-inch, made it look better. And I went with here's the box right there. says Precision European Motorworks. I think they're sold by Stance Magic on Amazon. They had great reviews. I used them on my Z. Been happy with them. Makes the car look good. Doing this with the garage closed, so kind of lighting is not the best. It's just super hot outside right now. It's like 109 so Fahrenheit. So FRS wheels, spacers. I did have to get hub rings for them because the Matrix are the center bore is the lug pattern same as the FRS wheels, 5x100. Matrix center bore is 54.1 millimeter, and the wheels themselves are 56. So I needed 2 millimeter hub rings just so they can sit flush, and I have no issues with the not me mounted on centered or whatever. Bought them on eBay for like $8. They're aluminum hub rings, so it rides pretty smooth as butter now. I got them balanced for like $28 at my local shop. Things that we'll be doing to this thing. Oh yeah, one other thing I did do a resonator delete. There's the resonator, the factory resonator. Let me grab a headlamp actually. Try to do this one-handed. There we go. There's the factory resonator. The first couple days it was kind of raspy at times, but it kind of deepened out now. Here's the factory wheels I had right here. They were the 16-inch OEMs, but they were like chrome plated. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's kind of, I don't know. The previous owner did that. Things that I plan on doing. Oh, let's see, a few other things. Sorry, I did have to. I was getting a check engine light for the idle air control valve right on the bottom of the throttle body. And I tried cleaning that out and throttle body, but I was still getting the check engine light for that code. So I replaced it. There is those two hoses. One right there and one right there. For the, I guess, coolant to cool it. So you got to plug those up. Anyways, place that, no check engine light. Other thing I had to do, I just had to check the airbag light on. The SRS airbag light, whatever it was. Looked up a video. I forget what video it was. I think it was Dan something. I'll try to link. I'll link the videos for the airbag light. But his video was awesome, step by step. Took out the airbag, replaced the clock spring. No more airbag light. No lights on the dash at all. So that's freaking nice. Other things I forgot to mention. I did replace the rear shock assemblies. They were blown out on the previous ones. Again, it has 184 going to 185,000 miles. It's running full synthetic 5W30. The car was always missing the front valances, basically the body kit that goes on. Let's see. Right here, there's like these two little corner pieces, and then there's a center piece. It always bugged me because it's like the car's incomplete, you know, it's missing body parts. So I just bit the bullet. I was trying to hold off and find them at the junkyard and whatnot, and offer up and all that. I found one on OfferUp and I lagged it. I was gonna go the next day, but someone picked it up that night, and the guy was selling them for $50 for all 3 pieces. So I tried just hunting them down for the last 2-3 months or whatever, and nothing. I did find one piece, as you might have saw right now, right here. This is the passenger one, but I found out the junkyard like $8. But you know, it's like, see, it's kind of like ripped up. It's all scraped up. Look at. So I just bit the bullet and I bought some new ones. Ended up paying 158. I should have just not lagged it. That one guy, the guy had all 3 pieces, $50. So, you know, cut it off and lag it. Sometimes you pay the price. So things I will be doing. I'm gonna run some like flex air duct intake piping coming from the bottom grill. So probably from right here, I'll have the behind the grill and have it run under, and probably kind of scooping up under to get some fresh air to the air filter, or maybe run it behind around the battery. I don't know. I seen somebody else do it. It was a pretty awesome little way they did it. So I'm gonna do that. Just get some fresh air to the filter. I haven't had no issues, especially driving during the summer. Heat soak really hasn't been an issue. Temperatures have maintained kind of normal range for as hot as it is. But if I can keep it cooler, that'd be even better. I do have an oil leak. I suspect it is the timing chain cover gasket. It's all over the place though, but I need to put it on the ramps and degrease it and pressure wash the side of it and the undercarriage and the axles where all the oil is coming from. So I need to do that in the next coming months. It's a little oil leak, maybe a couple drops every time I park it. Got the plastic down here right now. Was parking down the street, I got a little oil puddle spot right there. I gotta clean that up, put some detergent, clean it with the pressure washer. The roof, bad shape, it's all faded. Previous owner, there's 2 owners before me. They just never really detailed it, I guess. The side, everything else is good, so I'm actually going to detail everything minus the roof. I'm not sure if I'm going to repaint it or wrap it or attempt to repaint it myself. I don't know. I'm always a DIYer, save money. I'm a cheapskate. But so the roof is one thing I need to address sooner than later. It's not a priority. It's not, you know, anything functional as far as being a negative. The balances are going to be getting the next few days to a week. That'll probably be my next video. I'll probably end up getting a strut bar, just get a little bit more rigidity. I know they're kind of half looks, half functionality, but kind of look cool, but whatever. That's what I want to do. That's what I'm going to do. It's rice. I don't care. Anyways, the interior was really good when I got the car. Really good. No tears. No rips. I think I had some good records in the past couple years. Let's see. I do need to replace these glass struts. They don't hold up very long. Got the cargo nets. Yeah, well, that's my car. You know, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment if you want any information or questions, or what you'd like to see, or what you think I should do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna been looking at exhausts and mufflers, so I kind of have my eye on the Skunk 2 universal muffler, and just have the piping redone to the flange by the axle, and that's kind of what I want to do. I don't know, we'll see. So those are a few things I have in mind and need to address and need to do and want to do. But it runs good. It runs good, shifts good, accelerates good. Just have that oil leak as far as functionality. I need to address that. And then other stuff is just really cosmetic and stuff I want to do.